What's up, Miracle Kingdom Squad? It's your girl Miracle. I am back again with another video. Same day. Yeah. So, well, same day, different video. Um, um, if y'all haven't seen my other video that's going to be posted today, and this video is going to be posted today, I have to edit my last video that I just finished doing, and this video I have to edit, so I have two things to edit. Hopefully I made them pretty short, but as y'all can see, I have an iPhone X look. If you guys are wondering why, I just got so tired. Like, I got so freaking tired of that Android look. It just got on my nerves. I hate it. I really wanted an iPhone X look, or like an iPhone look, so I just did that. If you guys want to know how to do that, make sure you guys stay tuned so I can post both of these videos so you can see how to get your iPhone X look in one separate video. And this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the iPhone. So without further ado, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below, post these things and everything, and yeah. Make sure, my family girls, make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. If you're not, make sure you subscribe. And if you don't want to subscribe, I don't know what to say. Now, let's get started in this video. Alright, y'all. So first, what you want to do is you want to go to your Play Store. You know it's going to say Play Store because you know it's a Play Store. So, click your Play Store. Sorry for that. That was my video that I was talking about in the beginning. So first, what you want to do is you want to type in iPhone ringtones, and what should pop up, it should be like one that pops up. Hold on, you guys. Sorry, y'all, I typed that wrong. It's supposed to be ringtone. Free. And I have no idea where mine's. Oh, here it is. So it says to say ringtones for Android. Ringtones free for Android, and it is already installed. As I told you, I already installed it. So for those of you that don't have quick Wi-Fi, not being rude, for those of you guys that don't have quick Wi-Fi right now, it'll take a couple of minutes, but mine's just, kind of went fast, not bragging. But once I'm finished with that, hold on, y'all, I have to always check my screen. What's it called? I don't know. Oh, there it is. Oh, I'll see that later. So yeah, once you finish with that, you want to go to it, right here. And if you want an iPhone ringtone to match with your iPhone look, and like if you have an Android and you get sick of that Android ringtones and stuff, all you have to do is okay, there we go. And they have this iPhone ringtone, which is the regular iPhone ringtone. So, click it. That's the one I have. And then there's this one. That's an iPhone ringtone 010. Then this is the iPhone ringtone 1011. I already made that one. The SMS ringtone 066. I do not like that one either. Turn that off. And then the baby sounds. And Apple ring. But I have that one. I had no idea that they had this one. I never knew that. Alright, y'all. So I picked this one, the iPhone ringtone. This one. I picked that one, but you can pick any one you want. I'm not saying okay, pick this one because guys want better, and like if y'all don't do it, then y'all just messed up. I'm not saying anything like that. If you don't want to, if you don't want to pick that one, you don't have to pick it. You can pick whichever one you want. I'm not forcing you to pick the one that I have. You can pick whatever one you want. And they have more down here, and I really like this one. It's really cute. I love it. But I just don't want that because guess it really matches the iPhone look of it. And no, that one. Then yeah. So those are most of the ringtones that they have. And all you have to do, once you see which one you want, you go to the 3 dotted lines, and then you will see all of these options. You will click set contact. And I already set it for a couple of people. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna end up closing it right there. So, yeah. So then when you do that, you click this, and you can't choose set all of them at once. You have to click set contact ringtone for this one. I don't know about the other ringtone, but for this one, well, not on the other ringtones, like on the other ringtone apps, I don't know about that one, but this one I know. All you have to do is click set contact ringtone, then you have to click the people who you want this ringtone to be for or something. So I already clicked most of the people on my family and stuff like that, so they call me this is gonna be like an iPhone ringtone, and then when people don't know my password, so they can my phone. They have my collection, they have my music, they have my favorite, they have something selected, they have, yeah, so we have discovery, I don't even know what that is. Oh, a couple of more ringtones that you can pick. Not only iPhones they have cartoon, they have kids, they have Christian, they have classic, they have dance, they have electronic, they have entertainment, they have games, they have all the type of stuff. They have holiday, jazz, Latin, pets, and animals. They have all that. So that's why I rather pick this ringtone app than other ringtone apps, because this one is kind of like better, I'd say. But I also, for this one, I'm not forcing you just to pick this app. You can pick any other app you want. So yeah, that's exactly how you do it. And I was thinking about filming a video, so if you guys want me to film a video of what apps I have on my phone, make sure you guys comment that down below, and I'll do that video for you guys. And I have a whole bunch of other videos coming up for you guys, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Make sure, again, like, subscribe, comment down below, positive on everything. And if you want a shout out, all you have to do is be subscribed, like some of my videos, comment what I tell you to comment, and on this video, for a shout out on this video, I don't know about other videos, but on this video and the next video. For the next video, make sure you go look on the next video when I post it. Make sure you look on that. What you have to do to get a shout out on this one, since I'm already recording. All you have to do for this one to get a shout out is like, be subscribed, turn on post notification bell, and when you're done, all you have to do is make sure you put done, and on the side of it you put done. On the side of it you put your back to it, and then on the side of that, make sure you comment if you want me to. I have no idea. If you want me to do a video of me showing you that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want a shout out, you can do what I posted. And my social media will be in the description box down below. I did not put that in the other video, but I'll just put it on the screen. You guys can read that. My social media in the description box down below, and it will be on the screen. All my social media that I have is Facebook and Snapchat. I don't really have any other things. I mean, other things, and I'm going to have Pinterest in a couple of minutes now. Let y'all know on YouTube when I get Pinterest.